Hello.
We are currently laying down the subfloor, and there was a lot that went into prepping for that we didn't expect.
After getting all the rust up with our grinder, we cleaned the floor real good. The next step was to treat the rust spots with Core Seal.
Y'all feel it? Oh. Look at that!
After we Core Sealed, we could cover the holes in the floor with pennies and epoxy.
Pour the pour.
Pouring the pool.
After that cured, we could coat the floor with POR 15 so no new rust would form. Expensive, but really good.
We had to basically cut holes into our furring strips because they weren't laying flat across the pennies. So we have to cut the strips to size and then assess where the pennies are with this technique here.
We're using lotion. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Lubriderm Advanced Therapy for Extra Dry Skin also works great for marking where your pennies are. The lotion transfers from the pennies directly to the wood, and then we just drill a hole.
So we put the lotion on the pennies where we have to put the strip down, and you let it sit there for a couple seconds, and you lift it up, and you can see exactly where the lotion sticks to, so you know exactly where to cut the holes in. So if anybody else is having that problem, lotion is the solution. And then cut holes, and the furring strip will sit right on top of them perfect.
Beautiful.
Alright, lay her down.
Yeah, a little bit. You can't come back when there's more. Remember the times you ignored. Remember when they told me no. I couldn't give up, I know.
Give it some time to get moisturized.
Look at
that.
A perfect penny circle.
Wow.
Look at that perfect penny circle.
Wow.
Take a time.
I need your take on this.
Yeah.
You know I've been waiting. Don't be too long, I ain't patient. The way you talk, yeah, you faking. Ain't got no time
We
to be
did
wasted.
2 of them.
Really with a few dollars.
Alright.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen.
So we finished laying down the insulation and the furring strips.
Yep, finished with that. Took a while, longer than expected, but we're done.
Yeah.
A lot of penny holes to cut, but it was worth it. They're all laying flat now. So now we're on to the plywood.
And we're using this Advantech subflooring special plywood only because it's really good, but it's very expensive as well. And we found a really good deal on Facebook Marketplace for it. So
Search for most of these materials on Facebook.
Yeah,
You get a really good price.
seriously.
These are also tongue and groove, which we highly recommend for a subfloor.
Yep.
Keeps everything together, keeps everything sound and sturdy. So tongue and groove Advantech is what we're using, and we plan on measuring them all out. We have these 2 lips and the interior of our bus that we have to get these plywood sheets around. So it's a bit tricky. We have to cut them a bit shorter than we want to, but leave space for expansion and contraction and all that. So that's good. Skye's our main cutter, so I'm going to be measuring things out. She's going to be taking the jigsaw here, cutting straight lines, and yeah, laying them down today.
We're gluing them with liquid nails again. The Fuse-It liquid nails, the same thing we did with the furring strips.
Yep.
So those are in place, and then we're gonna screw it in with tech screws.
Yep, wood to metal tech screws. We had 2 3/4, which the math should work that they would go all the way through, but they didn't. So we're gonna go with 3-inch, and hopefully they'll go through, and we'll anchor everything down securely. So that's the next stage after we get them in.
Those were the times that we shared. It was the times we were young. I don't care what you do now. She loved it. The mental bonding like it was nothing. She always needed that one thing. It wasn't me, it was my mom. It wasn't her.
For one of the sheets, we had to cut off the groove, so we improvised.
Back for some more, yeah. It don't work like it did, no. It don't work like that, you can't do that. It don't work like that, no. She loved it. The man's a ballin' no. She loved it. It don't work when you do it all that thing, no.